my YouTube channel, Smart Online Income. Just a quick one from Paws. There's this new task that they request us to connect our Solana Wallet to Paws. So I'm going to use the Phantom Wallet. This signifies that the listing is drawing close. So I have to perform this task. If you have not done yours, just watch the video and follow the step here. It is simple. So let's go ahead and connect our Phantom Wallet. Now I have to click. First of all, let's go back. If you don't have Phantom Wallet, go to Play Store and download it. And if you have already, make sure you update your Phantom Wallet before connecting. So I have done my updates. So let's connect straight away. The first one is connect Phantom Wallet. The second, install Phantom Wallet. The second one is for those who do not have a Phantom Wallet. So I'm connecting already because I have it. So let's go ahead with the connection. Let's wait for the app to open, the wallet to open. So this is easy to do. So follow the step and complete the process. Okay, it's opening. Input your password. I'm using fingerprint, so let me take my fingerprint. Okay. Okay. The connection is taking place. Let's go back to Pause to see if the connection is successful. I need to open it again. Probably we are going to repeat the same process if it has not connected. Okay, I think it's trying to connect. Why is it going back? Okay. Okay, check reward. It means it has no. Let's go to earning. It has not connected. Let's repeat this process again. So we are doing it for the second time. The first one did not connect. Wait for it to open. Okay. I guess the connection is taking place. Okay. Let's check again. Okay, you can see here we are currently in the process of connecting your Phantom Wallet for using Paws. Please know that this may take some time. So let's wait for it to. Okay, you can see it's connecting. It's asking us to connect. So click on connect. Let it. Okay. So the collection has taken place. So I will claim the 10,000 pulse for this tax. So let me claim it. Okay, let's go back to home to check my balance. Now I have 205. Before the tax I have 195. Now it's 295. So watch the video and follow the step. If this is your first time coming across my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell for you to receive notification whenever I drop a new video. Also, like and share this video. You can watch my playlist for other videos available. Thank you for watching.